Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Goyal. Welcome to my channel, and in today's session we are going to learn about letter generation, age service. So let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how this application works, and in the end we are going to talk about the functionality part. So let's go to Argus console, and first we are going to create a letter template. We'll go to code list, Argus, and let's scroll down to letter configuration. So first thing that we have to do is we have to create a letter template. In order to create a letter template, let us open a WordPad. You can also use Word doc as well, but I recommend WordPad. And we are going to compose a letter template. So we have created a document, a letter which we want to send to the reporter. So let's give it a file name and save it. Letter to reporter, and we have to save it in RTF file. Now let us use that particular template which we have created in configuring the letter. We'll click on the select button and we'll select the same file. Select the default value whichever is present, and we are going to select schedule letter 5 and click on the save button. So our information has been saved. So what exactly this schedule days 5 means? It means that the letter will be scheduled 5 days after the initial receive date. So let us first create a dummy case. So let's go to case action new, and we'll give the date as 19th of July 20 US. So we got a dialog box that the new case has been successfully created. Do you wish to open the case? So initial receive date is 19th of July 2020. Let's go to the activities tab. We will observe that the letter has been scheduled and the date here is 24th of July 2020. Where is this 24th of July 2020 coming from? So initial receive date, which is 19th of July, plus 5 days from the scheduled letters. 19 plus 5 is equal to 24th of July, and today is 24th of July. So what I'm trying to explain you is that the letter will be scheduled immediately when we book in the case, but letter will not be generated until the due date has reached. So the due date is 24th of July. So what exactly do I mean that the letter will not be generated? So you remember that we created a letter template. So this is what the letter template we created, right? So here we are using this placeholders. You can see that I have used 3 different placeholders. This is a 1, 2 and 3. So this placeholder will be replaced by the actual value from the case. So if our report generation service is properly configured, it will replace the placeholder value with the actual data present in the case on 24th of July 2020. Now let me show you the database. Now this is the table name, select star from CFG underscore placeholders. Now here we have all the placeholder values. you will be able to see. And let me show you the record from the database. So we are fetching the record from the case underscore letters table. We have to keep an eye on the blob size. So let me start the ages service and show you how exactly it works. So let me query this particular table, case underscore letters table, and you will be able to see this is our record, and you will observe that the blob size over here is null. So let me start the service, our ages service. So let's go to the transaction box and let me show you the ages service. So currently our letter generation service is properly configured, and I'm going to start the service. Now let's go to the database and run this query again. Observe that the blob size has been populated with a value. That means the letter has been generated. One thing to note in this particular exercise is that the case should remain closed. Now let's go back to the application and let's open the case. Let's go to the activities tab. So let me click on this particular icon over here. And let's open this particular file. You will observe that the placeholder has been replaced with the data which is present within the case. So pharma companies use this functionality to notify their partners or even the reporters regarding the new cases that they have received. I hope I was able to make you understand the functionality of letter generation ages service. It is very much important that you practice whatever I am teaching you. So please do play around with the system to understand the functionality better. Pharmacovigilance is growing every year, and there are plenty of jobs available in the market, provided you have the right skill and the knowledge. Thank you for watching the video. Please do keep yourself safe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.